Welcome everyone to German Tool Reviews. Today we have the Wera KK50 telescopic blade set. This set is made in the Czech Republic and has a couple of really cool features that you don't normally see in a standard driver and bit set. Before we even get to unboxing the unit, I just want to point out an interesting feature of the packaging itself. There is a sliding tab that allows the unit to be hung from a rod in a retail setting. That's a good design engineering choice from Wera, since some retailers may store this on a shelf while others may hang it on a wall. It also saves some space for shipping. So let's go ahead and unbox the thing. A very nice presentation in the way that the unit is packaged in the plastic case. You can see every piece included without having to even open it up. There are no visible mold marks on the case to identify the plastic type, but it appears to be ABS. The case is opened by sliding the green latch, which allows the cover to spring open. As you can see, there is a pretty strong spring on the cover, so there should be no problems with keeping it open when in use. There is a stop that keeps the cover in the 90-degree position. As you can see, the bit holder changes orientation as the cover opens and closes. This allows the bits to be in a more secure position when the lid is closed, which in turn allows the unit to be more compact when the bits are sideways. This is done with a second spring on the bit holder compartment that is compressed using a lever on the lid. The bit holder is also a piece of ABS that has 4 tabs in each compartment to hold the bits in place. Examining the bits, I noticed that there appears to be a bit of corrosion on 2 of the bits. This would lead me to believe that not enough oil was applied during manufacturing. If there was corrosion on all of the bits, then I would have suspected environmental conditions. I have had this unit for quite a while before even opening it, so the corrosion could have happened during that time. Now let's take a look at the Wera 817R driver that is included with the set. It of course has the familiar craft form handle style with black hard plastic and green rubber material. On the end of the driver we see a man with glasses, which seems to be the universal symbol for wear safety glasses, as we have seen this same guy on the Ghidorah GSTM 75 hammer. To me it looks like Waldo from Where's Waldo. If you're in Europe, then this would be called Where's Wally. This may seem like a normal driver handle, but it is packed with lots of features that you wouldn't suspect. The first being a spring-loaded extension that is deployed by pulling back on the green collar. The shaft remains locked in this position until the collar is pulled back again, and the shaft can be retracted back into the handle. The bit holder is a little different from the ones I have seen before from Wera. This holder includes the Rapidator technology that allows the bits to be inserted and removed very quickly. Where the normal Wera bit holder has a spring that you pull back, this bit holder you simply press it into the holder and it will automatically lock it in place. To remove the bit, you would pull up on the sleeve until it locks in place, and then the bit will simply fall out. You can definitely tell a lot of engineering went into designing and making this driver handle. If we take a look inside the bit holder, we can see that this is a pretty complex assembly. From what we can see, there are 2 sets of recessed ball bearings with a visible spring on one of them. The set of small ball bearings is used to lock the bit in place, while the larger ones with the spring is used to eject and insert the bit. I would suggest to Wera about making a cutaway for this tool to show off some of these features. The bits included from this set are from Wera's classic line and include the following. From the 867/1B0 series, we have a security Torx bit with sizes T10, T15, T20, T25, T30, and T40. From the 851-1 series, we have a Phillips number 1, Phillips number 2. From the 855/1 series, we have a Posi drive number 1 and a Posi drive number 2. And from the 800/1Z series, we have a slotted 0.6 by 4.5 millimeters and a slotted 1.0 by 5.5 millimeters. Back to the driver, there's one other feature that I should mention. Not only can you use the bit holder included with the driver, it can also be removed so you can use it in a power tool as well. To remove the holder, you simply need to pull the sleeve back while it is extended, and it will allow the shaft to be removed from the handle. Looking into the shaft, we can see there is quite a bit going on with another 2 set of ball bearings used to lock the shaft in the retracted and extended positions. Well, that wraps up this review of the Wera KK50 telescopic blade set. Check out the link in the description below to the full review. If you like this video, subscribe for more reviews of German brand tools.